E di quizás boting ko busca den Rosabelle su buki pa palabra bonita. Pasina expresa kung eta sinti paso enosa kung eting kuyame. Palabra bonita, palabra bonita. Lagami contabo, palabra bonita. Etaba ta sinti su mes malo, palabra bonita. No toca mi baby subida, palabra bonita. E nota po si mia, palabra bonita. Paso si essay, talo que ami tanifica, palabra bonita. Den momento ng desespera, palabra bonita. E ora ta sali edificación real di lo que ta palabra bonita. Because I cannot help the fact that things are not pretty. As a matter of fact, pretty is the opposite of what I express. So hold your chest as I own what you can't afford. The art of destroying me cleverly becomes the play of completing me. And the art of assumption is in my head playing pressure on my vessel. I hope it exists there, or at least hope they found it already, because otherwise I'll be seen as beyond my own insanity. But let's not make this about me. It's you who's not sparing me. And let's not discuss destiny, because I am tired and I won't be admired. So bulletproof my chakras and captivate my dry skin, because relations are better when burned. Love sadder when measured. Beings higher when 6 feet under, and shh. But holiness shares phoniness, and I am sweeter without literature. Oh, and guess what? Mother deceiver, lost twins tradition, and fiction. Palabra Bunita. Thank you guys.